Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel. I am super duper excited to film this video. It's another girl talk video and the topic for today is why you should keep your goals to yourself. I think this topic is very important, especially if you're a business owner. We're gonna get all into the details of this video, but before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. We are almost at 6,000 subscribers. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Jamequa Stevens. We're just gonna go ahead and get into this video. Y'all already know I got my notes for this video, so if I'm looking down, I'm referring back to my notes. You come up with a new idea. Maybe you want to start a business or you're looking to add new inventory to your business or something of that nature. You ever notice how your attitude towards that idea changes after you get a second opinion about it? Like at first you were happy, and then after you told someone, your attitude towards that idea changed. It's not a coincidence. As a small business owner, in my opinion, I feel like you should never share your goals prematurely. Also, when you have premature goals, you might not have all the answers, like how you're going to accomplish those goals. So since you're not 100% sure, it's easier for someone to talk you out of those goals because you don't have all the answers. That's why it's so important to protect your goals and cultivate them. So God may give you a vision of you becoming a business owner or a successful business owner. Your vision and your goals are for you, not for everybody else to understand. And trust me, I had to learn this the hard way. I've had people tell me it's not realistic. I need to get a regular job like a 9-to-5 and leave YouTube alone, etc., etc., etc. But just imagine if I would have listened to those people, I would not be here right now. And this is only the beginning. My channel is almost at 6,000 subscribers. Now, if I would have listened to those people, I would never be right here. God gave me a platform where I can impact people's lives in a positive way through business, which is something that I really enjoy talking about. If I would have listened to the naysayers and just went with what they told me, I would not be here right now. I remember when I thought having 1,000 subscribers was impossible. I'm about to hit 6,000 subscribers just from helping people, impacting them in a positive way. You get what I'm saying? I'm honestly just so happy that I didn't listen to the naysayers because last name gonna be here forever. Yes, period. Like my name gonna be here. I've been making an impact in people's lives, starting businesses. I've been leaving a legacy this whole entire time, and I just feel like it's hitting me right now. But I feel like this is only the beginning. Once you protect your goals and you cultivate your goals, you're gonna get to a point where nobody can tell you no. If God didn't tell you no, then it's not no. Like you're gonna get to that point where no matter what someone says, it's not gonna stop you from going after your dreams, because you're gonna get in your mind like, I only need one yes, and I already got it. He already showed me my vision, you know? Once I learned how to stop sharing my goals prematurely, stuff started moving and shaking. And this YouTube channel is just a little glimpse of all the things that came into fruition. You all will eventually see like other things that I've been working on and I've been accomplishing, but I've learned how to not share those things prematurely when I'm still in the process of doing them. People will wish bad on you. And you have to realize that everybody that you are around or everybody that knows of you don't have good intentions. So when you realize that, you want to protect your goals, you want to cultivate them, you want to take care of them, you know? And for example, with my YouTube channel, if I tell my friend, like a close friend, you always want to tell somebody that you can really trust. You just don't want to tell anybody your goals. But even with my close friends, I don't tell them anything until like for example, I don't tell them I'm going to upload a new video or the title of the video unless it's filmed it, edited, uploaded it, and it's waiting to be premiered. I don't share things too prematurely. People can't stop what they don't know. I promise you, when you have goals and you cultivate them between you and God, He will show you how to accomplish them. Like, there's things that I've been scared to do, and when I went to God, He's given me clarity on how to go forward, how to complete them. Like, I am amazed. Like, some of the things that I thought I didn't know, God will lead me in the right direction to find the answer. And just to reiterate on what I said, you don't need everyone's approval because you have God's approval. He's giving you this vision. I had to learn that the hard way. I always, like, my close family and friends, I was like, how do you think about this? How do you... And sometimes they would be like, that's a little bit too much. That's you doing too much. Like, what are you talking about? Because sometimes your close family and friends only see you just as that. A close family or friend. Sometimes people feel like, oh, why she feel like she can do all this, she could do all that. Or some people might be like trying to protect you and want you to go through a safer route, but that might not be your route. That was their route, you know? So you just have to think about all that when you're sharing your goals. And I want to read out a Bible scripture. It's 1 Corinthians 2:9. But as it is written, eye hath not seen, nor ear heard, neither have entered into the hearts of man the things which God hath prepared for them that love Him. So sometimes God gives you a vision of something that nobody has done before. You can't go out and ask for approval because people are going to look at you like you're crazy because it's never been done before. But God is saying, I want you to be the first one to do it. So you got to think of it that way as well. So you can't be mad at people when they tell you, oh no, that's crazy. Because it's never been done before. So you just have to take it for a grain of salt and keep doing you. Keep cultivating your goals. Their perspective will be limited based off of what they've seen. So, say for instance, somebody makes $1 million and you go ask, do you think I can make $1 million? They're going to be like, no, child, you can't make $1 million. Only because they've never known someone close to them or experienced making $1 million. Now, if you go ask a millionaire, can I make $1 million? He's going to tell you yes, because he's made $1 million. He knows that it's possible. You get what I'm saying? People can only speak off of what they know. And you also have to realize that negative energy does transfer. So protect your goals, protect yourself, and do you. So moral of the story, protect your goals, protect yourself, stay prayed up, stay in your bag, and let's accomplish stuff. I still believe that 2020 is not over. I still got things I want to accomplish, and they are coming into fruition because I am cultivating my goals. I'm not sharing them prematurely. I don't know about you, but 2020 not over for me. I still got time. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you want more girl talk videos like this, don't forget to tell me below. Tell me below you want more girl talk videos like this. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you lows later. Bye.